Lakasan natin, lakasan natin! 1, 2, 3! Thank you, Jesus! Woo!
Sports gather people to strengthen fellowship and evangelism. This is how Central United Methodist Church in the Philippines empowers their members to take care of both their physical and spiritual health. In today's time wherein digital consumption is taking too much time and space for every individual, Central UMC created a ministry fellowship that requires its members to move and get engaged in sports. Not only do they try to nurture within the members of their local church, but also give highlight to evangelism through their basketball clinic. This ministry gathers not only its members, but welcomes players from different local churches. The basketball clinic also attracted attendance from youths in the community, nearby Philippine Christian University in Manila, where they conduct their games.
2 or 3 years ago, we were targeting mga employed. Tapos doon kami sa Quezon City area. So we started, medyo hindi pa nga siya nakiklik. Nakakuha kami, mga nakikipaglaro sa amin is mga kabataan na nasa paligid. In fact, hindi sila mga metodista. Kung sino man yung dumating dito, kung mag-start na kami ng basketball, we started with a prayer. And then, pagdating ng 4 p.m., hinto namin yon, magbibigay sila ng devotion for about 15 minutes. And then we play basketball again.
Reverend Genesis Galanza, Associate Pastor of Central UMC, shared that there are a lot of creative ways to disciple souls. He also said that evangelism is an important task that every church is expected to do.
Alam naman natin na ang mission ng ating iglesia is to make disciples of Jesus Christ. Sa pamamagitan ng larong basketball ministry, diyan din nagsimula ang pagpapalaganap ng salita ng Diyos. At sa pamamagitan ng aming devotion, kagalakan namin, attentive po sila. Pag may mga Thanksgiving sila, ay amin sila po naipag-pray. At kung may mga prayer request sila, sinasama din po namin sila. Hindi man namin sila madadala sa church, pero unti-unti na ipapakilala natin ang ating iglesia sa pamamagitan ng gawain ito.
On the other hand, the United Methodist Men of the said church also started a table tennis fellowship attended by all lay organizations, including their church workers. Central UMC's UMM President shared the goal of this initiative.
Serve Joyfully, isa ito sa paraan namin na makapagsama-sama ang lahat ng UMM. Ito ay inopen na rin namin sa lahat ng mga kasama natin sa simbahan. So sila po ay pwedeng sumama sa ministry na to, isang sports na papawisan kayo, masayang maglilingkod sa Diyos.
The said activity was deemed successful and effective, especially for their participants.
There was a saying that in Olympic Games, to win is not important but to participate. And that's what about this ministry. Everybody is welcome to participate. And once we participate, we develop fellowship, camaraderie.
Reverend Carlos Onilia, Administrative Pastor of Central UMC, shared why this activity is important and can be seen as a way to promote unity.
Well, mahalaga ito una to affirm yung unity ng church, to develop yung friendship, yung bonding, yung camaraderie. Napakahalaga niyan kasi naniniwala ako na ang communication ay mahalaga sa bawat isa. Through table tennis fellowship, nakakapag-usap kami at on the side may mga plano-plano na mangyayari. So mahalaga ito para sa pagkakaisa ng ating mga miyembro dito sa Central.
Central UMC continues to pray that this kind of ministry widens and encourages other local churches in the Philippines to explore these ways as part of achieving our goal and vision as United Methodists to serve joyfully together in God's vineyard.